My name is Hannah Heath, and I'm an M.P.S student in the Applied Remote Sensing track at the Rosenstiel School. Remote sensing is the science of collecting information without physically having to be there. And we do this with a range of different instruments, so using satellites, drones, sensors that can collect all sorts of data. So we can look at temperature, salinity, even looking at chlorophyll A concentrations in the ocean. So it's really collecting large-scale data sets that give us a comprehensive image of the Earth. An example of how remote sensing is being used to solve real-world challenges is actually in my internship I'm working with right now is the CHIRRP initiative. So it is a social vulnerability and environmental stressor initiative that works on mapping chronic heat in Miami. So using Landsat data, we can see exactly what points in the region have the highest temperatures. So with just raw data, I can transform it into a map that we can give to stakeholders about where people are experiencing the most heat and where the most help is needed. What I've liked the most about the Rosenstiel School is a sense of community. So even though we have some of the most renowned professors and faculty, it is a very collaborative and open environment. So just because I'm in the Applied Remote Sensing track doesn't necessarily mean that I have to stay in my line. I could take a course on tropical marine management. I could go out in the boat and do coral restoration. So I find it's a great intersection of all of these different fields that creates a very welcoming environment. The MPS is different from a traditional master's degree in that it really prepares you for hands-on science and getting out into the job field. I'm getting technical training every day. I get to actually process data, look at the instruments behind the data collection, and have the experience that is really what's going to push me out there and make me an attractive candidate for future jobs.